All right, welcome back to another Buoy 10 daily update. It is August 16th, 2024, and we're going over today's day. So low tide was at 5:52 a.m. and then high tide was at 12:21. So I figured I'd tell you guys the tides and then I'll tell you step by step on where we went throughout the day. We traveled a lot today, like we traveled a lot yesterday. We started at 6:30 a.m. Seems to be a normal time for us to start. And we started at Oahu Chinook area per usual with the tides at 6:50. So 20 minutes after we had put in, we got our first fish. We released that one. It was on a rotten banana super bait. I get a lot of questions on what Chad's stuffing the super baits with, and he uses oil tuna. I think he normally uses chicken of the sea, and then he'll put herring or anchovy, whatever one we have on hand, and then he puts krill powder in there as well. So if you guys are curious about that and like how much portions he uses of each, let me know, and maybe one of these days that he's making baits, I'll throw that in here as well. So 6:50, that was it. We went all the way out to Buoy 10 because we got a message from some people that Buoy 10 was hot. When we got there, it wasn't so hot. I would say a lot of people were catching coho there, and I mean, we didn't want to stay for that. So, and plus there was hundreds and hundreds of boats. Like, it was bumper to bumper, Drano style, crazy amount of boats there. So we left. It wasn't worth it. We went back to Oahu Chinook area 9:45. We had our first fish there at 10 on a Seahawk super bait, and we released that one. Chad threw on a Seahawk, which we haven't ran those in a long time because the rotten banana's been doing so good, but the Seahawk did really good for us today. 10:37, rotten banana, released that one. At 11, we moved to above the bridge because that high tide was happening or about to happen. We didn't see anything caught there. We were actually not above the bridge. We were in front of the RV park just below the bridge, so on the Washington side. And we didn't see anything happening there. We didn't get anything there either. So we moved, after being there for a little bit, we moved to Hammond at 12:30. And at 1:15, we got our first keeper on the double stuffed super bait. And so that was cool. No one else was catching them in Hammond, only we caught that one. We were there for like an hour and a half with nothing else besides that one keeper. And then we moved to Oahu again at 2:20, and then at 2:23, so literally 3 minutes in, we got another keeper on the double stuffed super bait. And then at 3 o'clock, I lost one on the rotten banana super bait. So overall, I think we went like 5 for 6 today, which is pretty good. Still pretty slow. It's not fantastic out here. It sounds like everybody's having the same issue as us. At least we didn't lose as many fish today as we have in the past, but that's okay. It was a good day. We still got into some fish and had a good day. So we will see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's daily update, and bye guys.